Hey there! This is a quick walkthrough of ConversionFormula's reporting dashboard available to our local SEO Pro clients. Before we get into specifics on the data within your dashboard, I want to share a few quick things to keep in mind to help you get the most out of your reporting. First, as you've probably already seen, this reporting is only available within your Ralience account. If you have multiple Ralience accounts, this same reporting dashboard will appear in all of them unless your accounts are for completely separate businesses. Second, each section in this dashboard is limited to data from when ConversionFormula was first able to start data tracking, all the way up to the most recent full month. So, for example, I'm recording this video in March, meaning I will only have access to data up to the end of the most recent month, which is February. To see data for March, I'll have to wait until this month finishes. And last, the sections available in your dashboard depend on the services you've purchased through ConversionFormula, so you may not have access to all the sections I outline in this video. Now that those general items are out of the way, let's walk through the reporting sections. The dashboard is organized into various sections that highlight the most important metrics to be tracking. Currently, the metrics we provide reporting on include your website, Google Business Profile, conversion tools, Google Ads, and phone call history, courtesy of our call center. First, we have your website stats. This section is fairly self-explanatory, outlining your website's total users, new users, and engaged sessions. If you're unsure what a particular stat is telling you, you can access these help icons that have easy-to-understand descriptions of each stat. Your data is displayed in various ways, with the most common being the familiar line graph, like the total users graph, or sparkline charts, like the new users and engaged session stats. In the line graphs, you can use your cursor to view specific numbers along the entire graph, which you can do the same in a little less detail with the sparkline charts. Both line graphs and sparkline charts show the total number being reported across your selected date range. To change your selected date range, you can use the Date Range selector in the top right-hand corner that allows you to pick custom or preset date ranges, which affect most of the sections in your campaign. Please note, the all-time preset date range only selects dates starting when this dashboard was first created, which may not be the exact dates you're looking for. You can always select custom dates that best suit your needs. Next, Google Business Profile, or GBP, stats. Here we have various sparkline charts and line graphs highlighting the most important GBP stats like interactions, impressions, and calls. Like always, to get a clear understanding of exactly what these stats mean, feel free to use the help icons when available. Please note, if you have multiple business locations, this GBP section is displaying data that is a combined total of all the stats for each of your locations, not any specific location individually. So, for example, the impressions graph would be displaying the impressions across all of your business locations combined, not just one in particular. As we further improve our reporting, we'll be able to display data for each specific location. Now, conversion tool reporting. As the note at the top of this section states, this section is only displaying leads from your conversion tools, if you're using that service, not any other lead source. This section contains a bar chart that displays conversion tool leads from each month with specific stats on the total leads from all time and this month specifically on the right-hand side. At the bottom, you can see an overview of the specific lead details with the lead source and contact information. You can use the horizontal and vertical scroll bars to view the information in its entirety. Please note, the date range filter only impacts the leads by month bar graph in this section, nothing else. Next is Google Ads. Another fairly simple section. These stats represent the most important ad metrics across all of your campaigns, with a line graph detailing total conversions and an overview at the bottom detailing the specifics of all conversions and their sources. And last but not least, phone call history. This section is only available to those using our call center service for one business location. As we continue improving our reporting capabilities, we'll be able to provide better specifics for those using our call center service for multiple locations. This section simply displays a list of all the phone calls routed through our call center with additional information like call date, duration, notes, and even call recordings. And that's it. Those are currently all the sections we provide reporting on. Like I've mentioned, we're always working to improve our services and features, so look forward to even more advanced reporting coming in the future.